AI can help you write articles, blog posts, and social media captions instantly.
Use tools like Jasper and WriteSonic to create marketing to sales efficiently.
Each app has unique features, templates, tone adjustments, and AI suggestions for your content.
From headings to full paragraphs, AI can write almost anything you need.
AI also improves grammar, tone, and readability, making your writing professional.
Ready to formally polished. Your drafts transform into polished, ready-to-use content in minutes. This saves time, boosts productivity, and sparks creativity instantly. Step 1. Type your topic or prompt into ChatGPT. Step 2. Let AI generate the draft in seconds.
Step 3. Adjust headings, paragraphs, and style to fit your content needs. Choose tone, audience, and word count for precise content creation.
Step 4. Refine content using AI suggestions for clarity and engagement. Intro 1. Generate multiple versions to pick the best one. Step 5. Export your content for blogs, social media, or documents. Tip. Always review AI content for accuracy and personalize it. Optimize for SEO or social media engagement using AI tools.
AI can create catchy titles and descriptions to attract readers.
Client. AI can write professional emails quickly for clients or personal email. Learn of this leisure. Create resumes and cover lessons in minutes with AI guidance.
Perfect for creators, AI writes scripts, prompts, and content ideas. Experiment with different prompts to get creative results. Combine AI creativity with your personal touch for best results.
Use AI to overcome writer's block and explore new ideas quickly. Combine multiple AI apps to create full content packages efficiently.
Save hours, increase productivity, and focus on strategy, not typing.
Tip. Practice and experiment. AI responds better with precise prompts.
Start creating with AI today. Write faster, smarter, and more creatively. Follow for more AI content tips.